I wanted to introduce you to 3D mapping, a fairly new feature that is in your Excel 2016, your Office 365. The 3D map is going to enable us to take a data list, data table like we have here with recognizable state information and turn it into a 3D map. I'm on the Insert tab. I'm going to go to the 3D maps. And I'm just going to walk you through one of the exercises I have in my one of the textbooks I teach from. Basically, it has recognized that state field right away and picked it up as a geographical location that it recognizes. And now I can go in and customize this depending on what type of chart that I want. You'll see you've got a variety of charts there: heat map, bubble map, there's the clustered column, a stacked. We're going to go to this by region, and what it's going to do is pick out all those states there. At that point, we're going to start adding a few other things we want to this 3D map. The beauty of this is it's going to take us on a little tour. It's going to do a video animation. Now, I'll warn you, you need a lot of graphic power on your computer, so you may not be able to run this if you haven't updated that computer and the graphics card in a while. We're going to start by adding a field in here for the value. I'm going to be picking up the total sales value. And I'm going to come down to the time frame there, and I'm going to do this month at a time. And I'm just setting up a few things. You see what it does? It starts building up. These are one layer at a time. You can add a bunch of layers. Up on the Home tab, I'm going to change up our theme. I'm going to use the Arial color theme. Get a view like that. And believe, yes, let's go ahead and get rid of this field list. You can use the field list to move things in and out of here, kind of like with pivot tables, but we don't need that anymore. And then we're going to kind of shrink up this piece with the sales on it. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to name this layer. See that layer 1? I'm going to come over on this side panel and I'm going to call this DeveloTech Sales. This is from a logical operations book that I'm teaching from. And let's see, what else are we going to do with it? I think we are about ready. We're going to zoom in a little bit. Zoom, zoom. Get our view there. We can adjust it how we want. And we can tilt it a little bit. I'm going to do the down, tilt, tilt, like that. Get it positioned how you want, and get the sizing how you want. And then when you're ready, just push the play. The play down here, and you're going to see the animation is going to run. And there you see, as the sales move across the country, you're getting the animation. And that's it. That's an example of a 3D map in Excel. I did bring up a list here. I wanted you to be able to see. This is some samples of just 3D mapping images from Excel I brought up with a Google search. So you can see there's an awful lot you can do with this. Good luck.